I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers, consulting with the rain. In my head I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching if I only had a brain. Well, I'd unravel any riddle for any individual in trouble or in pain. And with the thoughts I'd be thinking I could be another Lincoln if I only had a brain. Oh, I could tell you why the ocean's near the shore, and I could think of things I'd never thought before. And then I'd sit and think some more. Well, I would not be just another, and my head all full of stuff, and my heart all filled with pain. I could dance and be merry, life would be a ding-a-dairy if I only had a brain. Oh,